Hey peeps, welcome back to another math vid. Today we're going to be looking at some more cubes and like surface area and stuff like that. And rectangular prisms and like basically just 3D shapes. So our first question today is use the diagram of the cube to answer the question. And this is our cube. If the cube shown has a length of 1 inch, what is the total combined area of all the surfaces on the cube? And this one is super easy because like you guys all know how to solve areas, just the length multiplied by the height, the width, the length by the width, which in this case is literally just 1 because this is a square, so both of them are just 1, so it's 1 times 1 equals 1. And we all know that a cube has 6 sides, so it's just 1 times 6. So the total combined area of all of them is literally just 6. So this one's super easy, and it's basically like a warm-up question. Probably going to be in the samples. Alright, next question. Use the diagram of the cube to answer the question. If the cube shown has a length of 4 inches, what is the total combined area of all the surfaces of the cube? This one is the same, except this time the numbers are a bit bigger. So our surface area, just our area of 1 square on this so far is 4 and 4, which is 16. So it's just 16 multiplied by 6. Same logic. And so our last digit here has to be a 6 because 6 times 6 equals 36. And there's only one answer here that ends with 6. And yeah. Moving on to the last question. This one is slightly different. Use the figure below to answer the question. This one's slightly different because it's a rectangular prism this time, which means that not all the sides are the same. But it still has somewhat the same logic. You know how you solve a rectangle's area? Like opposite sides are the same? Same thing for this. We've got the 5 and the 3, which makes up the bottom and the top. The 4 and the 5, which makes up these two sides, that back. And 3 and 4, which makes up these two. And if you see those, you can see that they also, each one has 2. So we have all the combinations, 4 times 4 multiplied by 2. It's just like a very big equation. It's not very hard, it's just very big. And then we've got 5 times 3 times 2. And we can group all these 2's together and we can create the equation, just multiply them after we get all the inside, the more important stuff out. But you do need to multiply it by 2, so don't get rid of that. So that would basically just be 2 multiplied by, we've got 20 plus 12 plus 15. So then it's just 2 multiplied by 20 plus 15, which is 35, and 35 plus 12, which is 47. So it's just 2 multiplied by 47, which, as we know, has to end in 4. And we've already seen that here we've already got 2 4's. But you know how 2 times 50 is 100? 47 is less than 50. So 2 times 47 cannot be more than 100, and it can't be 100 itself either. So it has to be B because it's less than 100 and it ends in a 4. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys learn at least a bit more about math, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!